Have lava powers, but everything you touch melts. Be the world's fastest man, but you're also the world's shortest man. No one will double tap the last question. Win £1 million, but you have to split it with the second person that appears when you click share, then more. Meet your idol, but they don't like you. Win the iPhone 15 for free, but you have to comment your current phone. Own the world's best cologne, but you have to spray fart spray in your room. Have the world's best FYP, but you have to double tap the red button. Become Superman, but you're never allowed to take off your suit.